Okay, for this question, this is question 6 on homework 6, we need to find the derivative of the function that they've given us. And they've given us f of t equals 4t minus 3, that quantity to the fourth, plus 4t plus 3 to the fourth. Essentially what we're going to have to do here is we're going to have to use the chain rule, but we're going to have to use it twice. We're going to have to get the derivative of this first part and then add it to the derivative of the second part. So chain rule here, chain rule there. In case you don't remember what the chain rule looks like, it's going to be the exponent, and that's going to be times the inside of the parentheses. So inside of the parentheses, and then this is going to be the power minus 1, and then we're going to multiply that times the derivative of the inside. Okay, so those are the pieces that we need to make this happen. So in this case, for the first part, we'll write it, we're here, we're doing f prime of t, we're taking a derivative. Okay, exponent is 4 times whatever was inside the parentheses here, 4t minus 3, and then we need to take the power minus 1, so that's 4, so that's going to turn into a 3 here, and multiply it times the derivative of what's inside. Well, the derivative of 4t is 4, and the derivative of negative 3 is 0, so that's that. And now we need to do the same thing with the second part here. So we need the exponent, that's a 4. We need to multiply it times what was inside the parentheses, so 4t plus 3. We need to take the power and subtract 1, so that's going to be a 3. And then we need to multiply it by the derivative of what was inside here, so that's 4t, derivative is 4, 3 derivative is 0. This is what we've got. And you know what? That is absolutely good enough for WebAssign. If you punched that into WebAssign, it would be perfect. Your numbers are probably going to be a little bit different, but all you have to do is follow these steps. That's it. Stop right there. You don't have to go any further. You don't have to simplify unless it tells you to simplify. If you're the type of person who can't handle not simplifying, we can make it just a little bit cleaner. You don't have to do this. Take the 4 times 4, that's 16 times 4t minus 3 cubed. I just multiplied those together, plus 16 times 4t plus 3 cubed. That would be a perfectly acceptable answer there. So it's up to you entirely how detailed you want to go, but literally this step right here, that should be perfect for WebAssign. You shouldn't have to go any further. If you have any questions, shoot me an email. Just to recap, because we were adding 2 functions together, we needed to take the derivative of this one, and then we needed to take the derivative of that one and add those 2 derivatives together. That required using the chain rule here. Using the chain rule here, here's the chain rule in case you've forgotten what it is. And when we plugged everything in, this is what we got. We simplified a little even though we didn't have to. You could simplify more. Please don't. You have a lot of homework that is due very soon. So go ahead and just leave it at that step and it'll be fine.